god, it is scalding hot outside today, like hot. Let's see what the temperature is. Oh wow, it's only 85 degrees. I guess because it's no wind blowing. Let me turn on this AC. Probably because it's no wind blowing, why it's so hot, but it's 85, you can see. Yeah, let me put on some chopstick. My lips is like choppy. Morning, welcome back. I did not say that because it's scalding hot outside. Welcome back to another. Today's gonna be a day in my life. I'm gonna take you guys along with me today, and I want to, well, I am dressed to go to the beach. I just got done with the gym, so we're gonna go to the beach, enjoy the beach today, and then I want to try this cafe van that I see. Yeah, so I want to try out this new cafe van that I see on the side of the road. So we're gonna go do that after the gym, and then I have a little date tonight. It's not what you're thinking. It's with my son. We're supposed to go to get some ice cream together, and then we are moving again. So I need to also pack. So after the beach, I'm gonna grab maybe a smoothie because it's very hot out. Even though it says it's 85, it's very humid. So we're gonna stop and get a smoothie, and then head home, start getting stuff together and packing stuff, and then later on go on a date night with my son. Yeah, so let's go and get, oh, I need to drink my shake that I made. I did legs today at the gym, so I need to make sure that I drink my creatine and my protein after. So let's do this. Let's go to the beach, enjoy the beach. It should be very nice out today at the beach. I'm hoping the water is like crystal, because that's the only time I want to go in the water is when it's crystal. So let's enjoy the day together. It's just walking like it has no life, no concerns in the world. head back now and get a nice smoothie after a beautiful day at the beach. I think I want to come back tomorrow and actually just lay out for a couple of hours. I didn't bring my sunblock or my suntan lotion, so I need to get those things and bring those things back when I come back tomorrow. So I will talk with you guys when we are getting our smoothie in a little bit. Just here in the water is so nice. Let's look at our water. We're doing this the beach for sure. It was always my therapeutic to come to the beach and release and relax, take in nature. I definitely love nature a lot. So we're back, everyone, we're back. And I have a lot in store for us that we're going to be doing. So get your coffee or tea, whatever it is, and sit back. And I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs that I got coming for you guys. It's nothing like the beach. It makes me so happy to be on the beach. Have you, let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever traveled to the Cayman Islands before, and tell me your thoughts and if you enjoyed it here. Yeah, I do get a lot of comments, or I see other people in their vlogs saying it's very expensive. It is very, very expensive here. The cost of living is very high here. What you buy, for example, like strawberries, you probably pay about $12 strawberries here, when in the States you probably pay $4.99. And the conversion rate is different because our Cayman dollars is worth more than what a US dollar is, because we are a British overseas territory. We fall underneath England. Our dollars are high, almost next to, don't quote me on it, but I think it's almost next to England. I will have to confirm that and look that up and let you guys know, but I know we are one of the countries that our dollar is very high. I don't know if I ever said it, but welcome to the Cayman Islands. over there is the governor's house right there that we're next to. And then that down there is the Westin Hotel, where you see the big sailor's boat. They take the tourists out to do diving on this side. And then you can also take the same boat on the next side of the island to go to Stingray City. But yeah, that is the governor's house right there. That's the governor's house. So he or she gets to actually enjoy the beach and hear all the screaming all day long with people on the beach. It's not too bad yet, but it usually gets pretty packed. Sundays is really packed here. This is my favorite beach. I've always brought my kids here. So yeah, you have all of there's a rooster right there. You got the chickens out here. And they'd be fighting over food. There they go. They're gonna fight over food. There they are over there fighting. Somebody threw out something and they're fighting. It's actually illegal to feed the chickens here in Cayman Islands.
How are you doing?
Good, and you?
A little hot, but I'm good.
Yeah, it's not that hot today though.
I know, but I was on the beach dog and stuff.
Ah, okay. So let's see. Can I get a tropical wave?
What do people do that, eh?
Yeah.
Why not? Tropical wave, huh? Very nice.
So we made it here. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I don't have on my shoes, so the rocks is kind of hurting my feet. So this is it right here. And they also rent like boogie boards here. So that's cool. The little van. Isn't that adorable? The tropical wave comes with mango, banana, and coconut milk. It's called Happy Days. Nice. I had this as an idea many years ago to do something like this. There you go. Happy Wave. Happy Days it's called. Nice. Thank you. You got a straw? Oh yeah. Let's taste this. Let's taste it. Good. Thank you.
I have
Okay, so we're back home. I need to tidy up a little bit and then we can get started on packing this stuff. I already did the kitchen and living room, so I just have the stuff in my bedroom to pack. So let's tidy up a little bit and then let's get started on packing. Have you guys ever had sourdough banana bread before? I bought this yesterday and this is so good. Let me show you guys. To me, it tastes better than flour and it has pecans in it. Sourdough pecan banana bread. This is so good. Really good. I need to take my vitamins. I haven't taken my vitamins yet for the morning. Let's get some water. I don't even think I've drunk water yet for the morning. That workout had me definitely pumping this morning. My omega-3 is finished, so I need to try to go to the store maybe after we get ice cream today so I can get some omega-3. And then we need to do meal prepping also later today. I have out, let me show you. So I got shrimp. I'm gonna cook ground beef, and then I took out chicken breasts. I think I'm just gonna put them in the air fryer and then just have them throughout the week with like different meals. Yeah, so let's put you there. Popped you up on my cover. So yeah, so we need to get some fish oil, salmon, not salmon, sorry, omega-3 we need to get. So we need to get that when we go out to the ice cream later. Date with my son. Dump the garbage. All right, so let me just tidy up a little bit and then I will pick you guys up when we're going to pack the suitcases in a little bit. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so let's get busy with this packing because I'm actually falling asleep. I cooked already, so I did the meal prep. I just need to wait for them to cool and then we can put them in the fridge. I just did the shrimp and the chicken breast. So let's get to this. So in this corner here, excuse my towel, I had it airing out. It's containers that I had packed already, but we're gonna use this suitcase to put the clothes in the closet in this. So let's take these things off. I also wash clothes, so we need to fold them up also as soon as I get a chance to. So let's open this up. Okay. Let's get the clothes out of, out of the closet. Go in the closet here. Let me move you guys over here. Guess we could probably do here, come down a little bit so you guys can see.
Lately I find myself stuck in my feelings, trying to forget how I let someone play me. Dry up my
So this one we
tears
put
to
the
feel
shirts
from
in this
falling
one. I don't want to take them off the hangers, so we're gonna leave them on the hangers and just.
Just wanna let it out so I can heal. But the more I think about it, the more I feel like I need something to help me to release all this pain. It's hard for me to let it go, so I need someone to play me the saddest love song. Saddest love song. One that will make me cry, so I can let go. I need to hear the saddest love song, the one that relates to the pain I am feeling. Oh, play me the saddest love song. I need it. This situation has broken me, I am so numb I can't even speak. Yeah, I need somebody who'll cry for me, someone who understands.
So for now, I am just going to take all of my things, put them into a warehouse and stay with a friend, and hopefully I can find something that I like. Haven't found anything yet that has sparked my interest that I like at all. So we'll see what we can find. I had brought back, but I don't need these right now. So let's put them in here. Okay, that is done. I have the movers come in to get the containers, all the containers, and then the suitcases I'm gonna take with me. So that's it. I packed 2 suitcases. Well, 2 big ones and then 1 small one. Let me show you guys what we did. So we packed this here with hangers, which I think I am going to probably put some more small things in this, because this is going with me. This is not going in the storage room. Then we packed that one, and then we did that suitcase and that bag, and then it's a red bag that we packed already. So we did the red bag already. It's just that suitcase and that suitcase and that suitcase over there, that one, have to be filled with the rest of the stuff that is in the closet, which is these clothes are going to go in that, and then I have some hang up clothes in the corner right there, which is all my dresses and pants, and then I have some pants up there that also have to go. So let me get this handbag we could put over there. This is my box for my laptop. This is the box for my laptop, so I want to keep this. I don't want to get rid of this at all. I can link this in my bio, the laptop that I'm currently using now. I actually bought this. This is brand new. I bought this last year, November. I bought this because my desktop couldn't work for me doing YouTube, so I got rid of that and then bought this one. So I can link this down below for you guys. So let's keep that. And that's really it. Everything else, the drawers here I got rid of. Not got rid of, I packed those already in these bags. So I need to do my nails so bad. So we could put these suitcases in my car. These two suitcases with that more. And we can put those containers there in my car more to take to my friend's house. So they're all on my bed. So let's get busy folding those up and sorting out these other things that we have to sort out. This shouldn't be enough. Babe, this is my gym bag. And you know what? I can actually take this down. Let's put this in that small suitcase.
Somebody play me some Tony, some Mary, some Mary. I just wanna cry, some Keisha, yeah. Can somebody play me some Celine, Fantasia, yeah. I wanna cry. I need the saddest love play me the saddest love song, play me one that will make me cry, so I can let go, so I can let go. I wanna let go. I need to hear the saddest love song, yeah, the one that relates to the pain. Oh, I'm hurting so. Play me the saddest love song, yeah. Will somebody play me some Tony, some Mary, some.
Guys, do you guys like sparkling water? This is and this one has 0 sugar, vitamins. It has in it in its sparkling water. This one is I guess the brand called Ice, sparkling ice. This is the coconut and pineapple. This literally tastes like pineapple soda, and it's not soda. This is so good. I don't know if you guys can see it. I also like the strawberry and kiwi, and then you have the fruit punch is also very good.
Play me the saddest love song, play me one that will make me cry, so I can let go, so I can let go. I wanna let go. I need to hear the saddest love song, yeah, the one that relates to the pain. Oh, I'm hurting so. Play me the
cooked the shrimp. I did curry style shrimp this time, so I got 2 prep of those. One day what I will do is I will do it with vegetables, and then the next day I would do this one then with rice. So vegetables, rice. I don't like to cook them ahead of time. I prefer to wait until I eat the meal and then cook the sides. So I only preps the meat first, and then I'll do the sides on the day that I'm going to eat. Then I did the chicken breast. So the chicken breast, I am going to do penne pasta or rasta pasta I want to do with at least like 2 pieces of chicken. So I have 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces of chicken here. So I'll do 2 pieces each day. So I'll do rasta pasta one day, then I'll do chicken and vegetables the next day. And then the next day I want to do a chipotle bowl. So I have to go get all the stuff to do the chipotle bowl. So those are my meals that I've done. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Obviously we wouldn't be in this place because we are moving. I might record moving day. I'm not sure yet. I have to find out from the movers if they mind me recording them, and if they don't mind, I would record them. And but throughout the week I'm going to be moving every day a little bit at a time to my friend's house where I'm going to be staying. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.